In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoom app on PC/laptop. We're going to keep this simple and clear, using the Microsoft Store on a Windows computer. Before we begin, make sure your PC or laptop is connected to the internet and that you can open the Microsoft Store. You don't need anything fancy, just a few clicks and you'll be ready to join or host meetings. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows device. You can find it on your taskbar, or by clicking the Start button and typing Microsoft Store into the search bar. If it doesn't appear right away, double-check that you're signed into Windows and that you have access to the store. Once it opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. In the search bar, type Zoom Workplace. This is the official Zoom app in the store. Zoom recently updated the name, so don't worry if it looks a little different from what you remember. Look for the listing from the official publisher and click it to open the app's page. You should see an Install or Get button. Click that to start downloading. If the button says Get first and then install, that's normal. Just follow the prompts. The download time will depend on your internet speed, so give it a moment to complete. When the installation finishes, click Open right there in the Microsoft Store. If you prefer, you can also open it later from your Start menu by searching for Zoom Workplace. On first launch, the app might ask for permission to access your microphone and camera so your meetings work properly. It's a good idea to allow those when prompted, and you can always adjust them later in your Windows privacy settings. Now, sign in with your Zoom account. You can use your email and password, or, if your organization uses single sign-on, choose that option. You might also see sign-in choices like Google or Apple, depending on your setup. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready, and if you don't remember your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it safely. Once you're signed in, you're all set. You can join a meeting, host one, or explore settings to test your speaker, microphone, and camera before your first call. That's all there is to it. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Zoom Workplace, install, open, and sign in. Thanks for watching. If this helped, you're now ready to use Zoom on your Windows PC or laptop with confidence.